All right, so I'm going to give you guys a little exhaust clip, let you see how the mullet machine sounds. Funny part is that I'm actually wearing a cutoff shirt right now, but I just don't have a mullet because my hair is not going to grow that long. But let me give you this exhaust clip real quick. So that's what he sounds like. Excuse me, not she, he. This is Dirty Dave. So that's what he sounds like. The guy I bought it from says that there's a knockoff Flowmaster muffler on here. For every name brand exhaust, there's always a knockoff. So I don't even know if this really sounds like a Flowmaster or not. Not so sure about that. But the muffler is called a Flowtech. So yeah, that's what a Flowtech muffler sounds like on a 305 Camaro RS. But with that said, that's the end of this video, man. Check out the other videos on this channel. Check out my other channel where I drop my music. And like, comment, subscribe on both my channels if you feel like it. Dirty Dave, man. I'll give you another update soon. Peace.